Are you shitting me? Bro, are you shitting me? Bro, I hate when it's like, I hate this shit. Like, it's the same house. Come on, come on, come on. Let me see the FD. Come on. No. Yo, can I see it? The FD? Can I see the FD up close? Dude, I almost ran into the curb, bro. This is my dream car. Dude, this is freaking clean. You take it to car meets?
Yeah, I do.
Dude, you ever take it to Hunt Valley?
Nah.
Oh, come on, bro.
Too rowdy for this car.
For real? Dude, this joint is clean.
Thank you. I'm about to take everything out of it because I got to change this line that runs from there back there. So I got to take all the shit off.
I said, I'm trying to learn how to work on cars too.
Start with little stuff. Yeah, I just started putting intakes on cars back in the day, or like a little exhaust on the car, you know, a little easy.
See, that's easy, yeah.
Yeah, but you start there.
I'm trying to be like my friend. He does motor swaps and trans swaps in 24 hours.
Damn.
Drunk.
I believe it. People do it. I've done a motor swap. Put a K24 in my Miata.
Oh, what?
That took like 6 months of like going over to my buddy's house after work, you know. So you get there, you start small. I mean, like, I'm not doing anything crazy, right? I'm changing the oil line, but I gotta take all this shit off to get to it.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Dude, this is beautiful. This is, and my favorite color too, red.
Yeah, red.
Is this a sign?
Yeah, maybe. Maybe you need to get one. I wish the paint was nicer. You can tell which new parts I put on it. The paint looks real good on it, but the original paint is faded on it.
It's an FD. It's nice either way.
I mean, the owner's always gonna point out all the flaws, you know.
That's true, yeah.
It's sick. It makes about 425 to the wheels on 12 pounds of boost.
Damn.
Yeah.
That's, dang, man.
It scoots.
I'm sick of having a slow car.
What do you got?
A slow Civic.
It's alright. You can make a slow Civic kind of fast Civic.
I can't because my mom, we share that car.
Oh, don't do that then. If it's your only car, don't fuck with it.
Yeah.
It's my third car.
Damn.
You know?
Dude.
So.
This is beautiful, man.
I appreciate that, yeah.
But let me go before they start calling me.
Take care.
Dude, wait, you have Instagram for it?
I do.
Dude, hold on. I'll be right back. Let me get my phone. This thing is crazy.
I'm not super active on it anymore, but there's a bunch of pics.
I do photo shoots, but...
Yeah?
Yeah, I do them free, but it's just like I don't have time anymore with this job.
Yeah, I get that.
So,
luckily, I work from home now, so
see,
technically getting paid.
That's what I'm trying to do. Jesus Christ.
You'll get there. I didn't start out this way.
Dude, see, I'm trying to start my own clothing brand.
Hell yeah.
But
do it.
I did, but it's like no sales.
Oh, man. Everything starts slow. You get it's free to sign up for. You can put your designs on it, and then makes the shirts, fulfills the orders, ships it out, and then they just cut you a check.
See, at first they didn't do that at first. When I first tried to sign up, they didn't.
Yeah, my buddy's been doing it for a few years now. So check it out. Sometimes it takes a little bit to get approved, like as a business, but it's I mean, it's free money. You know, you put the designs up there. They sell the shirt. You set your price. Like, you pick the quality of the shirt, you pick the design. If you want a shirt, a hoodie, coffee mugs, whatever, you can do whatever you want. And like, let's say it sell for 20 bucks, Amazon's keeping like 15, you're getting 5. But you're not doing any work except for putting your design on the website.
Yeah. That's what I have now, Bonfire, but it's just promotion. I'm doing everything myself.
Yeah.
So.
You'll get there, keep hustling.
Yeah, trying to be like you.
You got this.
Thank you, man. Be safe, okay? Bro, that was so random. Out of all days, bro. Bro, that was fucking random as shit, dog. I wish, like, all car enthusiasts were like that, bro. Like him, bro. He was nice as shit. He didn't have to be. I think he heard me say, oh, I fucking got an FD. Yeah, that was random. Like, FD is like my dream car, bro. And he had it like in my dream color too, bro. Come on, you can't tell me that's not a sign to get one. Like, I was scared like with rotors. I'm vlogging. Shit, it's a ring, but I don't care. I'm not gonna stop talking. But like, bro, he has like a rotary engine. Like, I was scared with the rotary engine, just like the regular combustion engine. But like, if I learn how to like work on cars, like I know how to work on cars, but like just basic stuff. So like just basic shit, bro. They probably like, bro, I got all these fucking bags left. I'm not even halfway fucking done. I fucked up today because I was vlogging and like people in my fucking way, like get the fuck out of my way. Then having to go around and shit. Like, bro, I want him to like put me with someone fast. 275 right here. What I do is I put it right here, or I put it here. But I've been putting it on there because I don't want it falling when I'm trying to drive. So, oh dumbass, it's not even started yet.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.